Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, please do well to subscribe to it. Turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out anytime I upload a video. Today I'll be talking about our celebrity actress Anita Joseph, aka Mother Hen, the wife of MC Fish. Recently, this couple have been giving us couple goals, and I'm so happy to tell you that they are doing perfectly okay. Over the weekend, the couple both went for an occasion, and believe me, Anita Joseph is so blessed to have in-laws that love her so much. In fact, they rain dollar on her. I mean dollars. Check out this video and see what I'm talking about. I'll be right back.